What up, traders? Fella watching Roku for a breakout of 150. I'm making this video because I always get questions, how do you recognize a breakout? And you can see it right here, you guys. Let me show you, get a little better picture. Now, a lot of people say breakouts are garbage and breakouts are usually fake outs, but sometimes breakouts work if you know how to play them right. Now, let's say I was trading this. Now, this is live going on right now. This is the last 10 minutes. So let's say you guys see how the longs keep trying to buy this. I'm paying attention to the volume. There's a lot of sellers here. We're paying attention to the bidders, the level 2. We want to see a lot of bids at 150, and we're paying attention to the times and sales. But we're not going to buy. I know I made a video last year saying how to buy before the breakout, but this is how to buy a breakout if it holds. Now, you might miss out on this strategy, but this is a little safer strategy. We want to see, let me put it like a 3-minute chart on here. We want to see this thing break out, go up top, and then we want to see old resistance become new support. So you want to see the stock go up, come back down, and actually hold this, and this is where you buy the breakout, you guys. You do not want to buy a breakout like right now. Look at, we're not sure if the sellers are going to come in. We're not sure if the buyers are going to come in. We're going to let these guys have fun with it. Let them lose money, make money, whatever. We might miss out because there's a chance this thing breaks out and never comes back to test the new support. But in a lot of cases, you guys, this thing will come back and test. Now, let's say this tests once. Usually on the first one, I could probably take a quick scalp. But if it tests twice and I get like a double bottom, you could get in this thing again, you guys. Now look it. You guys seen a lot of sellers coming in? No, we're still not sure yet. We're not going to short this yet. Even though you guys, because it's the last 5 minutes in power hour, so I'm not going to short this. And then I'm not going to hold overnight because of macro stuff, you guys. But you guys see right here, look it. Let me zoom in. This would be a breakout. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 touches right here. Every time it touched $149.80, $149.70, $150. Basically, every time it touched 150, it came right back down again. Every time it touched 150, it came back down again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it actually kind of crossed 150, but you can see from the top, from this doji candle, that it's an indecisive candle. So people are not sure yet. Traders are not sure yet. A lot of breakout buyers are not sure yet. Like, a lot of people took profits right here. A lot of people came short right here. Some people probably went long and probably cut losses quickly or whatever they did. But you guys see this? It's still in an uptrend. But the way I would play a breakout, you guys, is it would go up, come back down, test a new support, make sure it holds. Watch level 2, see if there's a lot of buyers right there, watching times and sales. Now, when I would say watch times and sales, we're watching for green, we're watching for size, and we're watching for speed, you guys. I never talk about the speed in times and sales, but like right now, you see how this thing's just chilling. It's not that fast, but when you see, like, when it becomes faster and faster and faster, where you barely could keep up with the prints, and it's a lot of green, and a big indicator would be volume. Like, if a volume bar comes in bigger than all of these, a green bar, here's another test of a fake out or breakout, you guys. So let's see. This thing's been making newer, higher highs every day. This Roku stock went from $26 in May to $150. So I've been watching this thing for a minute, you guys. I've been trying to get a good short on this, but this thing's a beast. Like, it's not stopping, and analysts just said this thing even has a lot more room. So if I take you to the daily chart, let me show you guys a daily chart real fast. I don't have a lot of lines, you guys, but I traded this thing so many times and I never took off the lines. So there's lines from all types of trades, and you see right here, $150. Could this be the top, or could this be a breakout, you guys? This is the 52-week high today. So this thing just popped up on a lot of trader scanners. A lot of trader scanners who buy breakouts and big size, they're going to see, okay, if I go to Thinkorswim, if I go to the scanner, to the 52-week high scanner, it'll pop up. A lot of people have that on their scan where they're like, okay, what's new 52-week highs? And this thing's been having 52-week highs every day, every day, every day. Not stopping. I'm not shorting. I'm just waiting for a good red day. Maybe a little crack. There was a few chances to short this thing today, but there was a lot of bear traps in this today. And the reason why I didn't go short, because of volume, you guys. Because of volume, like right here, when I was watching it in the morning, I was like, okay, look it. The buyers, this is like saying you guys, the sellers stepped up. Sellers are like, look it, we're here, you guys. They're telling the buyers, fuck you guys, we're here, today's our day. Look at the buyers came in and said, we're still here. You feel me? We all ain't going nowhere. We're bouncing right off support. So look at all the buying volume came. $250,000 on this. I mean, 250,000 shares in 3 minutes. Let me show you like, let's say a 5-minute candle. Like right here, 500,000 shares came in, told the sellers that we're still here, you guys. The buyers are still here. Sellers came back in. Buyers, sellers fighting right here. Buyers still came up a little strong. Say, hey, we're still catching support again, you guys, right here at the double bottom. See my old time support? VWAP off of 148 almost. Buyers said, we're still here, we're still here. Sellers hit 150 a few times. They came back down. Buyers caught the dip off VWAP. VWAP held. So buyers are still in this thing. As many shorts try to take this thing down today, they couldn't. And if you're watching level 2, you guys, shorts kept getting squeezed. They kept trying and trying and trying and trying and trying. So sometimes it's best to chill, watch this, you know what I'm saying? Have patience, and hopefully we'll get a good entry maybe in a couple more days. I have a feeling this thing's going to keep squeezing, you know, but you never know. This could be a top right here. This could be a top. But it's just a few minutes for the market 5 minutes left for the market. So not going to take a short position and not going to hold this overnight just in case. Trump had news with China today that they were reaching a trade agreement. You never know, if he tweets something, we could gap up and he get squeezed on this, especially a strong ass stock like Roku. Even though this could be a good ass short right here, you guys, it topped out at 150 a few times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, but still there's a lot of strength in here. And I don't like to take trades with just 1 or 2 things are good. You got to have like 3, 4 things that match up together. You got to make sure like all your ducks are lined up. Have like an A+ trade setup. And this is not like an A+ right now. This is like a B or a C. Because even though it's at support and it's just and resistance a lot of times, there's not a lot of other things to match up with it. Like the daily pictures is bullish. The 5-minute is bullish. If I take it to an hourly, the 20-day is bullish. Give it a second, you guys. But yeah, all this thing is bullish. All these charts are bullish. Look at this. Right after earnings, still bullish. So here we go. Let's go back to let's go watch the last couple minutes. Now we got a lot of sellers coming, a lot of shorts coming in because they're risking off the 150, you guys. That's a good risk area right there. To me, it looks like another short trap, and I don't want to get involved. Big hole number. Might be wrong, but I'll give it a couple days. Let it bounce around, see what happens. Got a few buyers still trying to hold it. You guys remember my PRTO swing? Still in this thing. This thing's a little like light as fuck on the volume. Very light on the volume. But I'm still in this thing. It's still chilling. I'm like up, still $461, still chilling. But we'll see. It's like no volume in this thing. It was like how much? 90,000 shares. I didn't want to get out today. It's still holding my trend line, so I'm still chilling while I'm watching this. While I'm watching these other plays play out. So we got another top right here at 150. Right here, you guys see resistance. Buyers are still in this thing. Volume is a big important part, you guys. Volume. Especially in shorting, you guys. If the green volume bars like are still strong, I would not take a short because it usually matches the times of sales. Look at all the green. Look at all the green. Those are indicators of bullishness. Bulls are in control at the moment. Right now, bears took control. And right now, it's like it is a lagging indicator, but still, right now it looks like smacked resistance. 9 EMA trying to get under the 9. They're trying to go back to VWAP, test it out again. You can see this thing still holding a little trend. There's a lot of different trends. That's why you guys see a lot of lines. There's a lot of trends right now, like this thing's in a little hidden channel. Let's see if it bounces off this channel, if it breaks this channel. If it breaks this channel, the next support we have is about this area. Next support after that would be this area, intraday support. Next support after that is the VWAP area and possibly 148. But we only have a couple minutes, so not even a couple seconds. There you go, you guys. Look at these big ass buys. 69, 140,000 shares. That's why I did not take the short, you guys. Yeah, man. If anybody has any questions, I'm gonna get the hell up out of here, you guys. I got shit to do. Anybody has any questions? Thanks to all my new subs. Thanks for subscribing. Anybody else who hasn't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Anybody has any questions, feel free to leave a comment, question, whatever, you guys. Hit me up. Remember our motto, you guys. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Peace out.